this is going to be a quick video here. I got to go get Marcello here in a little bit from school. A couple things I wanted to touch on. One, got a couple packages here from some people I've been working with, so I just wanted to open these up. Just got me thinking here a little bit ago, you know, for people who really looking for a post office or a private with their address and want to stream, like using a PO box always isn't the most convenient thing, right? So guys, go check out Power Card Shop. I work with cool homies over there. They got a shop, so if you're in the Phoenix area, go check them out. But a lot of cool streamers over there. They got good product, good prices. What do I got? Okay, got a Thunderbirds, Caleb Williams, right from the Bears too. Let's go. Ooh, the contours. That's sick. Not numbered, but we'll take it. Shit. Da Bears. Matter of fact, there we go. That's more appropriate. Da Bears. Not too shabby. I like that. Go right into the sorting pile. This virtual mailbox essentially is like a post office, like a PO box, except you get a physical address, right? So they have partnerships with different businesses all over. For example, my virtual office is at Staples location that is not far from here. Guys, go check out Lenhart's Collectibles. Some cool guys over there and whatnot, and they're also doing TikTok streams. I use the service iPostal. You can use it. There's other services out there. I use iPostal. Not sponsor, no plug, nothing like that. Just got me thinking, because after I started out on whatnot, I was like, man, you know, I really don't like the idea of my home address, because I work out of my home. I really don't like the idea of my home address just being out there for anybody to just kind of grab, and sending thousands of packages. You never know like who, what, where, when, right? I started looking into it, and I found virtual mailboxes and offices and stuff like that. So it's more than just a PO box, right? Now, there we go. Some more Chicago stuff. Got an auto here. Okay, I'll take that. So like if, for example, I get packages from UPS, FedEx, I get stuff all the time in and out, whether it's a distributor, whether it's from eBay, whether it's all over the place, right? Other sellers. And PO box only accepts USPS packages. So if you're getting packages and you want to have a different address than your own, PO box works in a lot of ways, but there's some downfalls to it. Nice. With a virtual mailbox, you're able to get, got a numbered to 199 here, Kevin Alcantara. There we go. You're able to get packages from different carriers, private carriers, delivered there all the time. So that's always a plus. Nice. Homie hooked it up. Homie definitely hooked it up. Actually, I don't even think I purchased anything from him. I think this is all just him showing me some love. I was helping him set up the OBS stuff. They got a nice overlay package, and yeah, I think this is just, we did some test purchases, so I think this is just a gift, which makes it even more fucking awesome. So shout out over there to Lenhart Collectibles, y'all. Make sure you go check them out, follow them. Some nice homies over there. They got some good stuff going on. They stream on TikTok and on whatnot, and so I'll make sure I leave a link to everyone on who packages I'm opening today. All cool people that I work with, so I appreciate it. Virtual mailbox, that's one big benefit. The other benefit too is if like you're looking to register a business, like if you're starting to take your whatnot and your streaming and all that a little more seriously, and you're like, maybe I should get an LLC or S corp, you can even register your business with a virtual mailbox in most states. It depends on what state you're from. They have different laws. I don't have it here. I have it as an alternate address, and I use all my return labels, all my shipping labels, my warehouse address. Everything is set up to my virtual office. I only get stuff delivered to my house by choice. The other cool thing is they have different services that they offer. Some of them are included in some of the packages they have. Again, it depends on which provider you go through. I go through iPostal. I don't know much about the other ones. Obviously, you got a nice little note. I always love the notes. I keep all my notes. This is KB's Collectibles. Shout out to KB's Collectibles. She's awesome over there. She just started streaming. She's been doing amazing, and I really enjoy her streams, and she is looking like she gave me a nice note here. You have been such a great help to me throughout all of this. I am so grateful I found you on YouTube, and even more grateful to call you a friend. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kay. I appreciate you, girl. Check out her stream. She has some awesome Pokemon. She has really good stuff. She does dollar stars, she does slabs, all that good stuff. Definitely check her out. She's an awesome person. That note was a nice sentiment. I thank you so much, Kay. I keep all my notes, so I appreciate that. And let's see what we got here. Nice packaging, by the way, well protected. Little plug for you. They have different services. For example, I get pictures of all my packages in mail every single day that I get there, and I know like, okay, do I need to go pick this up? Do I not need to go pick this up, right? And USPS, like they do that as well. I'm not trying to knock on USPS here. I'm just saying like this is an alternate if you're looking for something other than a PO box. They also, like I said, have services. For example, let's say I got a letter from the state, right? They want me maybe to renew my stuff or whatever the case is, and I can't get there. I can actually have them open my package. I can have them open the letter from the state and send me a PDF. Like they can scan it and email it to me and write in my dashboard, right? You get an app for it. There's a website for it. Then I can just take care of it from there, right? Like maybe I need to do a renewal on my resale license or my LLC, do my annual report, whatever it is. Have them scan that, send it over to me, and then I can boom, 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 take care of that. And I don't even have to go pick it up. I can then also have them shred those documents. Let's say I got a package. Let's say for whatever reason, I ordered a case of something and it just turned into a drop ship, right? I ordered it. Somebody already bought it. I can actually just have that delivered there. And then I can go in and say, boom, 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 create a label and have that shipped right from there over there. I don't even have to touch the package. So there's a lot of nice benefits to having the virtual office. I mean, if depending on the package you get, you can have a phone number, you can have a fax line there. So you can really set up like an actual virtual office. And if you have a VA that has access, you give them access to your portal, to your phone. Oh, I got to go pick up my son in 3 minutes. And if you have a virtual assistant that you give them access to your iPostal, they can take care of your calls. They can take care of your faxing. They can, if you're faxing, your emails, your packages, they can have them forward things over to you based on your rules. So you can really have like a full virtual office staffed, right, between the people there that are doing the physical tasks with the packages in your mail and a VA who's directing them and also handling anything digital from there. You could have all of that taken care of depending on what package you get. Some costs are included, some are a little bit extra, but the prices are not too bad at all. I think I pay $15 a month and you get like some services included. If you go over, it's like a little bit more. Like I said, basically I can see what I got coming in. I can ask them to do things. I can ask them to store it, scan, open it up, tell me what it is, get rid of it, discard it, ship it somewhere else. And then I can schedule pickups. I can have them just forward it over to me at discounted rates. Ooh, I forgot I got some of these nice quartz. Again, shout out to Kay. That's the homie. KB's Collectibles. Go check her out. Zam. Hell yeah. Got all the goodies. Thank you so much, Kay. Appreciate you. KB's. All right. Got me some nice little quartz here. Good prices too. Yeah. So I would definitely recommend that if you're looking for an alternative to a PO box, or that's as simple as that. Make sure you check out the Power Card Shop. Make sure you check out who else with Lenhart Collectibles, and make sure you check out KB's, all home amazing sellers. I'll catch you guys in the next one.